Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase magnesium in our body. Magnesium is an essential mineral, crucial for over 300 biochemical reactions, supporting everything from muscle and nerve function to energy production. Despite its importance, many individuals do not consume enough magnesium through their daily diet. This can lead to various symptoms like muscle cramps, persistent fatigue, and increased irritability. Let's explore effective ways to boost your magnesium levels for better health. The best way to increase your magnesium intake is through your diet. Focus on magnesium-rich foods like dark leafy greens. For example, a half cup of cooked spinach provides about 78 milligrams. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources too. 1 ounce of almonds contains 80 milligrams, and chia seeds offer 111 milligrams. Don't forget legumes, whole grains like quinoa, avocados, and even dark chocolate with 70% cocoa or higher. If diet alone isn't enough, supplements can be very helpful. Look for highly bioavailable forms like magnesium glycinate, which is gentle on the stomach and well-absorbed. Magnesium citrate is another excellent option, known for good absorption and sometimes used to support digestive regularity. For those with digestive sensitivities, topical applications like magnesium chloride, flakes in a bath, or magnesium oil sprays can allow absorption directly through the skin, bypassing the digestive system. To maximize your magnesium levels, it's also important to enhance absorption and avoid depleting factors. Reduce your consumption of caffeine, alcohol, and refined sugars, as these can increase magnesium excretion. Chronic stress also plays a role in depleting magnesium, so stress management is key. Additionally, ensure you have sufficient vitamin D, which aids magnesium absorption. Be aware that very high doses of other minerals, like zinc or calcium, can sometimes compete with magnesium for absorption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.